Okay guys, how you doing over here? This is Joey Mamaluke. Today I'm gonna help you guys recover. This is kind of a health video. Some people get tennis elbow, they get ping pong elbow, golfer's elbow. Sometimes they get chest elbow. If they're in the pen for a while, doing say 3 to 10, because you gotta move the chest piece up and down, checkmate, with the horses and all that shit and whatnot. So anyway, these are 2 liters on Amazon. We got the Venom elbow strap over here. Then we got the Simien elbow strap over here. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, review and whatnot to kind of help you guys, because I like to give back. I'm a people person. I want you guys to get better. And then you can determine which one's better for you for support, recovery. When you got to lift stuff, you got to work out. Like if you're a pitcher on this guy, maybe you got to pitch. Maybe if you're giving elbow drops like this guy on the left, So we'll see what happens, all right? Okay guys, so first we're going to look at the Venom Sports Fitness elbow strap. It says premium quality down here. So that means like the best, no low grade, D grade. Premium, supreme, the best. I gotta admit, it says Venom. That's what first attracted it to me because I like Marvel comic books. Venom, he had a movie that came out. He was probably chasing Spider-Man and whatnot. Also, there's a ball player on here. Looks like maybe he plays for the Yankees. He looks familiar, but I don't know. If he got better, then, we can all get better, So we'll take a look at the back a little bit over here, see what it says. It says, premium gel compression pad, provides pain relief, decreases swelling, and offers malleable. Malleable, yeah, I got it in the mail. I guess that's what that means. And comfortable support. Double reinforced straps prevent slippage and adjust comfortably to all sizes, superior quality material, yada yada yada. Okay, you guys get the gist. They got an x-ray of someone's elbow over here. It looks like someone got messed up, almost like Mortal Kombat, when they zoom in and they do fatalities and whatnot. Okay guys, so first we'll open up the Venom, kind of like open up some Cracker Jacks, get some prizes, some goodies. So as you can see, it says Venom, like I told you, the superhero. He wears the black suit, he fights Spider-Man, nice and black, I like that. It's got the straps in the back. So we got strap on the left, strap on the right, you put them together and you got strap. So look at the inside a little bit. So this is very nice, very soft, easy to maneuver, bends with the body. Closer look in here, it's got some little round divots. Massage the muscle, I guess. Smaller in the middle smooth. Again, we'll look at the outside. Looks like good material and whatnot. So that's what the strap looks like. See if there's anything else in the box. Got one of their cards. It says Venom. Thank you for your purchase and whatnot. Anything else in here? Let's see. Oh, look at that. It got a baseball card, huh? That's the guy on the cover. Look at that. Dave Righetti. Spaghetti Righetti. I remember that dude. He used to play on the Yankees. That's pretty cool. I like that. Free baseball card. But no instructions, guys, just so you know. But they did send a PDF email with some instructions on how to put it on. It's very brief, not that much. And they also give you a few exercises and whatnot. Okay guys, now we take a look at the Simien brand over here. Elbow support 2-pack. So you actually get 2 in here instead of 1 like Venom. So I like that. With bonus wrist sweatband, bonus item, amazing value, pain relief, highest quality, all that good stuff. See what it says over here. It says Neosporin support. I guess you got a cut or an open wound or something, that's good for that. Measure circumference of your elbow, one size fits all. So that's pretty good. Maybe you're big like Bigfoot or King Kong Bundy, Godzilla, Loch Ness Monster. That's going to fit you. And then if you're small or skinny like Olive Oil or the Thin Man or Scarecrow, you're good. You're good with this, it's saying. Directions for use: tennis elbow, golfer's elbow. It's touching 2 places. It made this guy his elbow all red when he touched it. He probably touched it too hard in the picture. It also says Simien. I think that's Denver, Colorado. He used to be quarterback for the Broncos, Trevor Simien. Maybe he's a spokesmodel for this. I don't know, but he's not that good. Okay, guys, so let's open this up, see what we got. Looks like we got a headband here. That looks kind of small, though. Maybe that'll fit my cat. I don't know. Got a card here, Simien Sports, ebook, join, thank you for your business and whatnot. That's nice. Alright, so here's the actual elbow braces. Like I said, you get two for one deal. Joey likes 2 for 1 deals, you know. So we'll take a look over here. It says Simien. This looks nice and strong. Same idea with the strap in the back. You got the left side and the right side. You know, it's one piece and then you fold it over. Take a look inside. There's the padding, nice big and blue. This is actually a little harder though, not as soft as the other one. But at the same time, this is bigger in the middle. So I like that it's bigger, but I wish it was a little softer. And then the outside, strong, sturdy, and whatnot. So it did come with some directions, which is nice. It says tennis elbow, gives you some directions on where to put it. Put it over here, you see. That's nice. And then if you play golf, it tells you, you know, where you got to put it. Over here, over here. So it's nice to get the instructions. And also these are the smaller straps. So like I said, you got the big straps and you got the little straps. So that's good. That's the one size fits all. Depending on your wrist size, you can use a small and switch them and whatnot. And they also did give more directions through the email, a PDF file and whatnot on how to use it, how to wear it. Also some exercises. And I found their exercises a little more helpful than the Venom. A little more information. Just so you know, Okay guys, so now I'm going to do side-by-side final review. Joey has worn and tried both of these for you guys. So looking at both of these, you can see that the Venom is a lot wider. Wider, I mean here. It's going to cover more ground. The Simien is actually shorter, just by a little bit, but that counts, you know. The whole end here is bigger. This goes a little high, a little low, but overall, you can see that the Venom is wider. So then we're going to look inside and the flexibility. I told you before, the Venom is very flexible, very bendy, which is good. Simien is not as bendy. You can't bend that middle part as much. So when this sits on your wrist, the elbow, I don't know if you can see too good, that doesn't bend as much. It's kind of like a straight bar. You'd have to make it super tight and that might cut off circulation and whatnot. When we look at the Venom, we put it on a little bit. Look at that. That's just bending, wrapping with the skin nice and good. You know, that's that better material, I think. So then we look at the inside a little more, and this is where Simien, I think, might win a little bit. Look how big this blue is in the circle, this whole pad. So the Venom in here is very small in the middle. I don't like that. I wish that was bigger. But the ends are bigger. But it's got these massage balls, which could be a positive. But then at the same time, the middle has no massage balls. So the middle doesn't get enough pressure. And again, going back to the Simien up top, that's humongous. So you're getting a lot of pressure here. And overall, it's just a bigger pad, you know, as you can see, you know. As far as the straps are almost identical. The Simien's a little stronger, a little thicker, but then at the same time, it's not going to move as well as, you know, the Venom one. So that's my assessment. Both will probably work for you and help you, but it's a matter of, you know, you probably can't lose. You get one of them, you get better, you're happy, you know? Okay, guys, I think that's it for the video and whatnot. Hopefully you enjoyed my review with both of these, and hopefully it helps you make a decision, you know, which one to purchase, but you probably can't go wrong with either one. Check the description below. I got direct links on Amazon where you can purchase both of these. Use my links, it would be appreciated. It'd probably give you good luck and all that stuff. Any questions, leave in the comment box below, yo. If you have either of these or another brace and it helps you more or less, let us know. Leave comments. Let's all help each other out. You know, we need more peace and love. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that stuff for Joey, man. Joey needs more fans, you know? He cares about you guys, care about Joey. So for now, have a great day, great week, incredible month, incredible year. Enjoy your food, enjoy your tacos, enjoy your meatball sandwiches, your pizza. I don't know, I'm just rambling. Alright? Salute!